Hold on, I think my eyelash is gonna come off. Stay with us, girl. Stay with us. Welcome to my channel. I am so excited for today's video because I tried out the Jeffree Star Cremated palette for the very first time. I could not get my hands on it the first time around, but I got it the second time, which I'm really happy about it because I was really debating on it. I was really debating on whether I wanted it or not just because it is all cool tone. There's 24 cool tone shades and I am not a cool tone type of girl. I definitely love my warm tones and I definitely love my colors. So a gray, 50 Shades of Grey kind of palette, I was a little apprehensive, but after seeing everybody use it and of course knowing how good Jeffree Star's formula is, I really could not pass it up. So I ended up getting it on the second time and I absolutely love it. There are 24 shades in this palette, you guys. In this video, I'm actually going to be showing you my first impressions using it and doing this look. It's more of a first impressions tutorial kind of thing. So if you're interested in how I got this look and what I think about the palette, keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and open it for the very first time. This is she before I open it. Well, I've opened it before, but I haven't like swatched it or anything. I kind of just took a peek and put it back in the box. It was so hard to get my hands on this palette. Obviously, I couldn't get it the first time around. Everyone was trying to get it, and I was literally like 30 seconds too late. So this is what it looks like. It is so pretty. I mean, it has all grays, which I don't own anything like this. I usually don't wear any cool tones at all. So that's why like the first time when I didn't get it on the first round, I wasn't that upset because I wasn't completely sold on it yet. Like I loved it, but the colors are something that I'm definitely not used to, and I don't know if I'm going to use it all that much. I've had cool tone palettes in the past, and I feel like they were so boring, but this one is not as boring. I mean, it's not boring at all. It has like so many shimmers and beautiful formulas and different colors, and even though it's cool tones, there are a lot of colors that I feel like can warm up a cool tone look. It's not just like your black, gray, and white palette, so I'm really excited to play with it, and hopefully it'll help me branch out and experiment a little more with cool tones. To prime my eye, I'm going to use the Be Perfect Cosmetics eyeshadow priming base, and I'm just going to put that on my eye and then put some translucent powder over it. I always like to set my primers just because I feel like sometimes I have a lot of trouble blending it if I don't. I'm more of like a concealer and then set with a translucent powder kind of prime girl. Okay, so like always, I did not plan what I'm doing on my eye today. So I guess I'm just gonna look at the colors and see what I'm feeling right now. So first I'm gonna be taking the color Gravedigger on a Morphe M562. I love these tiny brushes. They're the best for blending everything out, and that's how I really get like a good blend and really good control over the colors most times. I'm gonna go ahead and just blend that in my crease. I haven't decided if I want to do a cut crease. I don't think I'm going to do a cut crease today. I feel like I always do cut creases, and today I'm just not feeling like cutting my crease. And you're going to have to excuse my nails. I just got a new puppy and really have not had the time to do my own nails right now, or honestly, I just don't want to like scratch her or anything or have her like chew on them as of yet. So please excuse my nails. Stay tuned to the end of the video and I'm definitely going to show you my new puppy. She is the cutest thing ever. And I am gonna do my shadow before my foundation or anything. I don't have anything on my face except for primer because I don't know, just in case any fallout happens. I really do not like doing my eyeshadow. I mean, yeah, my eyeshadow after my foundation and then getting like major raccoon eye. And with all these dark grays and blacks, it is very possible. So we're not going to do that today. With a clean M562 brush, I'm going to go in with Last Respects, and I'm going to put that like on the inner half of my eye, and I'm going to blend that previous color out and diffuse it just a little bit with that color. This gray is so nice. It's like a cementy, concretey, I don't know how to describe it, gray, but it's one of those colors that like even though it's definitely cool tones, definitely a gray, it has not warm undertones, but I'd say like greeny undertones, and it makes it look a little less like gray and black. That's what I really like about this palette. It has such a good balance of different kinds of grays. I know a lot of people were saying that, you know, it's all gray, but there's a lot of different types of grays, and really like the slightest undertone, the slightest difference in color makes a huge difference when you're doing certain types of looks. So I don't really mind that there's just a whole bunch of 50 Shades of Grey situation going on. Alright, now I'm going to be taking the color The Morgue and putting it on the outer half of the top of my crease and just blending out that color. And you guys, these colors are so buttery smooth. I almost never do smoky eyes and much less cool tone smoky eyes, so this is so new for me. I don't know what's happening there. I need to fix that. Let me know if anyone got it on the first round or if you got this palette in general. Also, if you're thinking about getting it, I know that there has been a lot of controversy around it, and I guess to each their own. Whoever, you know, wants to buy it's gonna buy it, and whoever doesn't. Now I'm gonna take the color Casket Ready, and I'm gonna highlight my brow bone a little bit with that and just kind of blend out the darkness that I created right over here. So I'm gonna blend that from top to bottom and just lighten that up because I went a little bit too dark near the brow bone. I love how these blend out so well, and they truly do feel like butter. Despite the controversy, I feel like these shadows are just worth it. These are such a beautiful formula, and they're such high-end formulas. They are not that bad for 60 bucks for so many shadows. It's honestly, I feel like it's a really good deal, the quality and the amount that you're getting. And I'm just deepening that crease color back up with the color Gravedigger. Just, I didn't add any more product. I'm just kind of using whatever is left on my brush and kind of going at it. Ooh, you like my pimple? That happened because I've been eating Reese's every day for the last week, and my skin is super sensitive to chocolate. Like, when I have chocolate, girl, it shows. Can't keep a secret. Like, dang. I love that the dark color is not patchy, because that is my pet freaking peeve when I'm putting on like a black shadow or some kind of darker shadow, and those are already hard enough to work with and get control of, and then you add patchiness to the mix. Like, really? So I'm just so thankful that these are not patchy or chalky or grabbing onto like every single dry patch in your skin, because girl, I am dry right now, and if it was that kind of shadow, this would not be working. Okay, I can't decide on the freaking shimmers for my lid, honestly. Like, I feel like I'm gonna have to do a few more tutorials because the shimmers are so nice, and like, there's so many color combinations. A lot of people are saying like, I don't know how I'm gonna get a bunch of looks out of that. That's just great. There are so many color combinations that you can do. You can go for a light look, a dark look. There will be more tutorials to come. So if you have this palette and you like this so far and you're enjoying it so far, definitely subscribe because I'm going to be doing a lot more tutorials with this palette. So the one good thing about not having nails is I can put my lid color on with my finger, which is the best way to apply your lid color. I feel like it goes on so great. So I'm going to go in with the color Mortuary Beautician and I'm going to put that on the inner third of my lid with my finger. I really like how that applied. Honestly, it applied so pigmented, and ooh, sorry about all these freaking wrinkles. I look like a little French bulldog over here. I'm gonna need Botox in like a couple years. I don't do the prettiest faces when I'm applying any kind of makeup, so I'm so sorry that you have to witness all of this. Now I'm gonna take Angel of Death and I'm gonna put that on the outer corner. I'm gonna do kind of like a 3-color halo eye situation going on here. So I'm gonna take Angel of Death and I'm gonna put that right there. This color would look so nice like all over the lid for like a black smoky eye. Okay, I need to use this color. I'm gonna use Paul Bear and I'm gonna put that in the middle of my lid. I'm so excited for this. It looks so beautiful. Let's see. Oh, yes. Oh my god, that is so pretty. I love that. I don't think it's gonna come off on camera like it does in person, but just, you gotta trust me on this one. It is so pretty. I'm gonna use a M507 brush and I'm just gonna blend that into the outer corner a little bit to like sharpen it up and just deepen it up a little bit. I don't want to go in with like a black because I don't want to overwhelm it with black, you know, so I'm just going to be using the excess, and then I'm going to take the brush that I had the leftover dark gray on and blend out this little bit. Okay, I think I'm pretty much happy with it at this point. I don't want to add too much black because I don't want to go in there and mess it up and make me look like a very glamorous raccoon. So I think I'm going to leave it where it is now, and I'm going to do my other eye and my face, and then I will be right back. Alright, so I went ahead and did this eye and I did my face, so it's going to take forever on camera, and now I'm just going to like highlight my inner corner and do the bottom lash line. So I'm going to be taking the color Life Insurance and putting that in the inner third of my bottom lash line. This is a really pretty light gray, and I want to just keep everything pretty soft and matte under there. And the brush I'm going to be using is the M213. It's very small and precise, and it's perfect for the bottom lash line. For the middle of my lash line, I'm going to use the color Wednesday on that same brush and just put it right under there. Of course, these colors are all so pigmented and easy to blend. I absolutely love them, and I'm really happy with my choice. I'm glad that I ended up getting the palette and I didn't skip out on it the second time. And for the outer corner, I'm going to be using the color RIP. The bottom lash line is so important, you guys. I feel like it changes your whole look and like really takes it to the next level. When I was just starting to learn makeup, I would never do the bottom lash line. I thought it looked weird. Once you start doing it and you find the right brush to do the bottom lash line, it doesn't get all smudged all over your eye, then it looks so amazing. So if you're not putting eyeshadow under your lash line, start and get a small smudge brush and it's going to change your life. To highlight my inner corner, I'm going to be using Diamond Ashes. It is such a pretty color. I really wanted to use it on my lid, but I thought it would be really good to highlight too. So I'm going to put that on my inner corner. My favorite brush to highlight the inner corner is the E36. It's small and round and it like fits perfectly in that little crevice. Alright, so that is it for the eyes, guys. What do you think about it? I really like it. I thought I was gonna like it less because I'm not like a gray cool tone person, but I'm pretty in love with it and I feel like it looks really good with like some silver jewelry and like some cool toned clothing. I don't know, I feel like honestly it looks a lot better than I expected, and the formulas are great and they're not patchy. They're not all chalky and like weird, or like I didn't get any fall. I could have done my eyes after my foundation. It probably wouldn't have had any problems, but I didn't, just to be safe. But I really like it. I think the shimmers are amazing. The mattes are also incredible. That's my favorite thing. If you can make a really good freaking matte, you got me for life. I'm gonna pop on some lashes and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, lashes are on and I look like a completely different human. I'm going to be using the color Mattitude by L'Oreal. It's probably not available anymore, but it's a really pretty like light gray nude pink kind of color. It's like a weird color, but I feel like it's going to go really good with this look. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that. Alright, this is it, you guys. What do you think? Let me know. Let me know if you got the palette, if you like the palette, or if you skipped out on it and why. I know I was about to, but I'm actually really glad that I didn't. If you're straying away from it just because you feel like you're not going to wear a lot of cool tones, I'd encourage you to probably get it, try it out, share it with your sister or something, and then hopefully you can both use it. I feel like it's definitely worth it. It's not like a lot of other cool tone palettes that I've used. I really like this one. I feel like it's very versatile. Just by taking a quick look at the colors, you can really tell that you can do some of your favorite like goth, like grungy, really dark looks here, or you can do some really like pretty cool tone bridal makeup as well. Like, hold on, I think my eyelash is gonna come off. Stay with us, girls, stay with us. That pretty much wraps up my video, so thank you so much if you're still watching. Thank you for clicking on this video and checking out my channel. I am new around here, so I'd really appreciate it if you gave this a like, a comment, and if you subscribed. There's going to be lots more coming, and if you guys want to see anything from me, definitely let me know, and I'll be doing that for you. Thank you so much again. I hope you and your families are staying safe and healthy during this time, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay guys, guess who just woke up? This is my baby Violet. Sorry, I had to turn down the light because she is kind of scared of them, but look how adorable. I love you, Mama. Ah, she just wants to eat my hair because it has coconut oil in it. She loves coconut oil. She's probably gonna be in so many of my videos, you guys. How cute. She's probably like, Mom, you look like a whole new person. I've never seen you with makeup. Oh, okay, time to go.